A great report from Madison there. I mean, the stress level of these people, I cannot imagine. Here's a look at Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport. Woo, there goes a plane. Okay, one out, one out. That looked like a Southwest flight too, so that's good. Looks like a Delta flight's here on the runway trying to make its way out. So flights are resuming after this countrywide ground stop. Nonetheless, what a pain. Let's just call it like it is. We've got the system outage behind a nationwide flight pause. The FlightAware misery map speaks for itself. Nationwide delays, well, they're up. It was 7,300 in the last hour. Now we're up to 7,500. And cancellations, about 1,100. So a lot of red on that map, and you hate to see it because people have places to go. They have lives. Air travel stats, en route flights right now, 2,800. Again, total delays. Right here you see it, over 7,500. The worst delays are in Atlanta, Dallas, and Denver. And the worst cancellations, no surprise here, these are busy airports, Washington, New York, and Charlotte. So as we continue to look at the current lowest visibility, just if you were curious, Denver, Spokane, and the other airport in Spokane. But the good news is, again, these flights are resuming, but it's going to take time. For example, look at San Francisco International Airport. 55 degrees with showers out there. Winds are at about 15 miles an hour. 22 cancellations here. So, yeah, not surprised by that at all. 57-minute delays, and the reason is wind. Now, when we look at these ground delays due to winds, it's because there have been gusts. While sustained winds are about 15 miles an hour, gusts have reached almost 30 miles an hour. So that gets very complicated weather-wise to get a plane out of there. It makes perfect sense. Disrupted flights are at about 21%, and so we'll have to keep an eye on when this weather starts to let up. It could be a while, though, in San Fran. Again, ground delays due to wind because gusts have almost reached 30 miles an hour. That's huge with an airline. So as we look at the forecast airport delays, Seattle, Spokane, Portland, and Casper, we are all delayed. But you could see why for tomorrow. Want to mention, Michael, this is for tomorrow. They will all be delayed tomorrow because we've got these atmospheric rivers coming in. And with all that moisture and all that wind, it's not an easy transition.
No, not at all, Katie. You know, you talk about the FAA system outage, you talk about the